10 lucrative side hustles and passive income ideas that will transform your life. In today's fast-paced world, having multiple streams of income has become a necessity. Whether you want to pay off debts, save for a dream vacation, or achieve financial freedom, side hustles and passive income ideas can help you transform your life. These ventures not only supplement your primary source of income but also provide a sense of security and financial stability. In this video, we will explore 10 lucrative side hustles and passive income ideas that have the potential to change your life and unlock new opportunities for success. From online businesses to real estate investments, we will cover a wide range of options that suit various skills and interests. So, let's dive in and discover the pathways to financial empowerment. Number 10. E-commerce and dropshipping. The rise of e-commerce has opened up endless possibilities for aspiring entrepreneurs. Starting an online store and leveraging dropshipping is an excellent way to generate passive income. With this model, you don't need to hold inventory or worry about shipping logistics. Instead, you partner with suppliers who handle these aspects while you focus on marketing and customer acquisition. Platforms like Shopify make it easy to set up an e-commerce store. And with effective marketing strategies and product selection, you can build a successful online business. Number 9. Real estate investing. Real estate has long been a popular investment avenue due to its potential for long-term wealth creation. Investing in rental properties, either residential or commercial, can provide a steady stream of passive income. By purchasing properties in desirable locations and renting them out to tenants, you can earn rental income that covers your expenses and offers additional profits. Additionally, real estate properties appreciate over time, leading to potential capital gains when you decide to sell. Number 8. Dividend stocks and index funds. Investing in dividend stocks and index funds allows you to earn passive income through regular dividend payments and capital appreciation. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders as dividends. By investing in stable and well-established companies with a history of consistent dividends, you can generate a steady stream of income. Index funds, on the other hand, provide diversification by pooling investments from multiple individuals and tracking the performance of a specific market index. They offer a passive way to invest in a broad range of stocks, bonds, or other assets, reducing the risk associated with individual stock picking. Number 7. Online courses and digital products. If you possess expertise in a specific area, consider creating and selling online courses or digital products. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable provide a marketplace for course creators, where you can share your knowledge and earn passive income. Once you create the course content, it can be sold repeatedly without requiring significant additional effort. Digital products such as ebooks, templates, and software also offer a similar opportunity for passive income generation. By leveraging your skills and packaging them into valuable digital products, you can tap into a global market and earn income while you sleep. Number 6. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms have revolutionized the lending industry by connecting borrowers with individual lenders. By lending money to individuals or small businesses through these platforms, you can earn interest on your investments. P2P lending eliminates the need for traditional financial institutions, offering better returns for lenders and access to credit for borrowers. However, it's essential to conduct thorough research and assess the risks associated with each borrower to ensure the safety of your investment. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you earn a commission by promoting other companies' products or services. By partnering with companies as an affiliate marketer, you can earn passive income through referrals. This can be done through various channels such as blogs, social media, or email marketing. To succeed in affiliate marketing, it's crucial to build an audience, create valuable content, and promote products or services that align with your audience's interests. Number 4. Rental business. Do you have items that you rarely use, such as camera equipment, power tools, or camping gear? Consider starting a rental business where you lease out these items to individuals or businesses in need. Platforms like Rent the Runway and Fat Llama provide a marketplace for renting various products, allowing you to monetize your possessions and generate passive income. As the sharing economy continues to grow, the demand for rental services is increasing, making it an attractive side hustle option. Number 3. Mobile apps and software. The booming app industry presents a tremendous opportunity for developers and tech-savvy individuals. If you have programming skills, creating and monetizing mobile apps or software can generate substantial passive income. Whether it's a gaming app, productivity tool, or utility software, there is a wide range of possibilities. By providing value to users through your app or software and utilizing monetization strategies like in-app purchases, subscriptions, or advertisements, you can generate a steady income stream. Number 2. Print on demand. Print-on-demand services have made it easier than ever to start an e-commerce business selling custom-designed merchandise. With Pod, you create designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more, and the printing and shipping are handled by the Pod service. This eliminates the need for inventory and upfront costs. Platforms like Printful and Redbubble allow you to set up your online store and start selling your designs globally. With the right marketing and appealing designs, you can earn passive income from each sale. Number 1. YouTube channel and content creation. YouTube has become a powerful platform for content creators to share their skills, knowledge, and entertainment with millions of viewers worldwide. By starting a YouTube channel and creating valuable content that resonates with your target audience, you can earn passive income through ad revenue, brand partnerships, and sponsored content. Consistency, quality, and engagement are key factors for success on YouTube, but with dedication and creativity, it can be a fulfilling and lucrative side hustle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you.